Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3 on Steam Deck. First, ensure your Steam Deck is fully updated. Then, install Fallout 3 from your Steam library. Once installed, switch to desktop mode. We'll be using Proton Experimental for the best compatibility. Remember to set the in-game resolution to 1280 by 800 for a perfect fit on your Steam Deck screen. Next, in Steam's game properties, navigate to compatibility and force the use of Proton Experimental. This is crucial for stability. Within the game's performance settings, set a frame limit of 60 frames per second. This prevents physics bugs. Also, disable vertical sync. After these adjustments, launch the game once to ensure all initial configuration files are created, then exit. Fallout 3 is known for stability issues, so we need a couple of fixes. Download the Large Address Aware Enabler. This helps prevent frequent crashes. Also, get the OGG Vorbis libraries to resolve common audio problems. Copy these files directly into your Fallout 3 game directory. Many players also find community patches helpful for addressing additional bugs and improving overall stability. With these steps completed, you can now launch Fallout 3 directly from your Steam library in game mode. Remember to save your game frequently, as occasional crashes can still occur. Feel free to adjust the in-game graphics settings to find your preferred balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Now, you're ready to dive into the Capital Wasteland on your Steam Deck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.